If you look at this photo, you will notice you cannot see the bottom half of the boat. You notice the water is obstructing it. So, what causes that? The Earth itself is the blocking object. Since this is viewed from above the water, this means that the Earth's surface is curved. I am going to demonstrate on a smaller scale that this photo is not possible on a flat Earth when viewed at the surface. Take a look at this photo. Note the coin at the end and the other objects on the table. This photo is from a view taken at the surface of the table. Note no objects were obstructed by the flat surface. None of the objects were moved. A flat surface cannot obstruct an object bottom up. The coin is the farthest object, a dinosaur is a middle object, and the pen is the closest object. No obstruction at all. This is what you would see on a flat Earth when looking at a boat moving away from the observer when viewing from above the surface. It only gets smaller and does not disappear bottom up. Again, slightly above ground level. This was taken from slightly below ground level, or below the point of view of the table. Notice the obstruction of the object from bottom up. This can only happen if the observer was viewing from below ground on a flat Earth. View of object moving away from observer if viewed at ground level, for example, the level of the table. Notice no obstruction from bottom up. On the left diagram, this is what you would see when looking from above the surface with no obstruction whatsoever. On the right diagram, if you were looking from below the surface, you would see obstruction of the objects moving away. Now for a small-scale demonstration on a curved surface. Objects and boats that move away from the observer and disappear bottom up is due to the Earth's curvature. Okay, this is what an object would look like moving away from the observer on a curved surface. This mimics what we see in reality, such as boats disappearing bottom up as they go over the horizon. Here's a diagram showing how boats would go over horizon due to the curvature of the Earth and disappearing bottom up.